Assalamu alaikum. Are you looking to become fearless under pressure and face life's challenges with unwavering confidence? In this video, we'll explore powerful Islamic principles that will help you conquer your fears and stay composed even in the most stressful situations. Drawing inspiration from the Quran and the life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, we'll uncover practical steps and spiritual practices that will strengthen your faith, boost your inner courage, and transform you into a resilient and fearless individual. Stay tuned to learn how to harness the power of your faith to become truly unshakable. 1. Emotional control facing your fears. When you encounter something that frightens you, the best approach is to confront it directly. You might feel a trembling sensation in your chest, experience a racing heartbeat, or notice blood rushing to your head. How can you remain strong and focused in such moments? The key lies in preparation. Educate yourself about the situations you might face and plan ahead. Engage in both mental and physical rehearsals to build your readiness. This kind of preparation helps maintain strength and focus. Visualizing how you want the scenario to unfold and anticipating potential obstacles can significantly bolster your confidence. Deep breathing techniques are crucial for managing fear. Try inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. A widely recommended method is box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, and hold again for 4 seconds. Continuously remind yourself with affirmations like, Allah is in control, or it's okay, inshallah. If the fear lingers, shift your focus to positive thoughts and pleasant memories to help your body relax. Reflect on Allah's protection, and remember that nothing can harm you without His will. This spiritual connection diminishes the impact of fear, making any potential harm seem trivial, inshallah. Achieving a higher level of bravery and self-control through these practices leads to gratitude towards Allah and a deeper trust in Him. This newfound courage not only boosts your confidence for future challenges but also strengthens your reliance on Allah whenever you face fear again. 2. Intellectual control, rational thinking. Intellectual control, often referred to as reasoning or rational thinking, is a cornerstone of Islamic practice. It entails using our intellect to comprehend and scrutinize the teachings of Islam, enabling us to make informed decisions and critically evaluate our beliefs and actions. Mastering the control of your mind and emotions is a pathway to increased confidence. It's essential to govern your mind rather than being governed by it. Gaining confidence may sometimes require responding assertively to insults or criticisms from others. Each fear you overcome signifies a boost in bravery, confidence, and trust in Allah. Personal development should be pursued gradually, balancing familiar and new experiences to ensure lasting effectiveness. This progressive approach is exemplified in the life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. With each successive battle, the challenges grew more formidable, yet each experience fortified the bravery of the Muslims and deepened their reliance on Allah. This historical context underscores the importance of gradual self-improvement and intellectual control in achieving higher levels of confidence and faith. 3. Physical control, taking action. To achieve physical control, it's crucial to eliminate excuses and act decisively. Bravery involves not overthinking whether to confront your fears or play it safe. Excessive contemplation can lead to rationalizations that justify taking the easier path. Consider the example of Ka'b ibn Malik, a companion of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who intended to join the Battle of Tabuk, but kept postponing his departure, ultimately making excuses to stay behind. He later regretted his decision and missed the opportunity. Acting without knowledge and driven solely by emotions can lead to harm for oneself and others. Strive for balance, acquire intellectual knowledge and the capacity to act on it. Engaging in physical exercise and preparing your body are essential components of this balance. Inner bravery must be complemented by physical readiness. Gaining skills such as martial arts equips you to use your body effectively in emergencies. By developing both internal and external strength, you become a formidable force. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, participated in wrestling, and the Sahaba regularly engaged in such activities. Today, disciplines like wrestling and Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu are highly effective and valuable for believers to learn. Physical prowess, combined with intellectual and emotional control, ensures that you are prepared to face any challenge with confidence and strength. 4. Reliance on Allah. True bravery and confidence are grounded in a profound reliance on Allah. Extreme bravery, if left unchecked, can foster arrogance and deceive a person into believing they are invincible. Such individuals may oppress others, only to have their strength taken away by Allah or face ultimate destruction. Genuine bravery is rooted in humility. Those who place their trust in Allah and engage in self-reflection demonstrate compassion even in their moments of great strength. They maintain a consciousness of Allah and treat others with kindness and respect. Trusting in Allah, along with having confidence in your own abilities, is crucial for balanced bravery. Your faith in Allah not only inspires greater courage but also ensures you remain humble, honest, and self-aware. This combination of divine reliance and personal capability leads to a regulated form of bravery that benefits both the individual and those around them. 5. Fight your desires. By resisting your desires, you cultivate a stronger belief in yourself and demonstrate your ability to control your actions. This self-discipline not only helps you manage your emotions, including fear and desire, but also provides valuable experience in mastering your impulses. When you have control over your desires, you are less susceptible to temptation, which in turn makes you stronger and more courageous. You become the one who holds power over yourself, drawing strength from Allah. Stand firm in your convictions and principles. This realization transforms you into the powerful character you aspire to be. When you no longer fear and can resist evil temptations, your enemies will be unable to overpower you. They will respect you for your steadfastness, and you will gain unbreakable self-control and confidence. Throughout history, great individuals have possessed these qualities, while those who betrayed others for personal gain were despised and often met a tragic end. If you want this message to reach more Muslims, like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn how to act unbothered in tough situations, click on the video here. May Allah reward you for your efforts. Until next time, stay brave and steadfast. Assalamu alaikum.